Hello guys, welcome to Terry Berry Nutrition. So today we'll be making world's best shawarma. So let's get started. First of all, you need two medium-sized cucumbers cut in julienne along with two medium sliced onions. Add around a cup of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt along with 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Toss the vegetables well so that the spices are equally mixed among them. Cover and set aside for about an hour or two. Now for the sauce, we need around a cup of mayonnaise and about 1.5 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce along with 2 tablespoons of chili garlic ketchup. If Sriracha sauce is not available, you can also use hot sauce. So 1.5 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce along with 2 tablespoons of chili garlic ketchup. Mix well until the color changes. Mix well and add around half teaspoon of salt along with half teaspoon of chili flakes. 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped garlic and mix well. Mix well and set aside. Now for the chicken filling, we need around 500 grams of boneless chicken and add about a tablespoon of oil, along with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of chili flakes to the chicken. Mix well and cover and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, this is how the chicken will look. Mix well again and now add around 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala. I'm using Shan's tandoori masala. Mix well and let it simmer for about another 5 minutes. Do not cover the wok this time. After another 5 minutes, the water is almost dried up. Now add almost 2 tablespoons of oil and fry the chicken. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. The chicken is now cooked. Set aside. Now for the final assembling, turn on a stove and heat the pan. Add around half a teaspoon of oil and you can spread the oil using a spoon or a spatula. Spread the oil evenly over the pan. Now heat the shawarma bread until it's golden brown from both the sides. Now for the final assembling, place the bread over an aluminium foil or a butter paper and spread 2 tablespoons of sauce evenly over the bread. Make sure that the sauce is spread evenly over the bread. Now for the step number 2, spread some veggies over the bread. For step number 3, spread some chicken over the bread and make sure that there is a good amount of stuffing over the bread. Spread some more sauce over the cooked chicken. This is the easiest way how you can wrap a shawarma easily. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked the recipe. Please do try the recipe and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.